Hey songwriters, welcome back to another edition of At Home Songwriting, writing a song 10 minutes at a time. We're taking you through the real life process of me writing a song called Oopses and Mistakes. I think this is episode 10. I could be wrong. I do believe it's 10. So that means we've spent about 100 minutes on this song. So about a little over an hour and a half, hour 70 minutes. No, that's not right. Whatever. Hour, 40 minutes. No, I can't do math, right? That's why I write songs, okay? So here's the deal. So the last couple of weeks, we started working on this track. I'm still working on the track. I still don't know if the drums are how I want them. But I'm just going to keep showing you that this is my real life process when I'm working on songs, either to put out for myself or if I'm working on projects for other artists. The process is kind of the same. There's a lot of experimentation. There's a lot of, working in small chunks. And we're going to continue working in chunks with a 10-minute timer here that I'm going to start now. So the time has begun, and we're going to jump back in and start working in Logic here because we have this so far. For Oopses and Mistakes. So what I'm thinking is that's the chorus. And if you remember in another episode way back, I had a chord progression of C minor 7 to it was C minor 7 to a D minor 7. I want to see if I can do this in the chorus. So this is F, G minor, B flat, E flat. And then in the verse, have it be the other chord progression that I had before. So have it be the C minor 7 to D minor 7. It's in the same key. And what I'm going to do is copy some of these drums. I'm just going to put them here. And then I'm going to try to figure out a different rhythm for this. Like something like that. I'm going to do it again. Just going to try that. Here we go. So I'm kind of doing a little bit of like a solid chord, but then I'm also doing a little bit of an arpeggiated thing here too. So that's kind of our synth pluck sound. I know it says electric piano, but that's fine. So let's go back here. And again, I'm using Logic. I'm going to try to use all of just sounds that are in Logic. So I'm going to go back here and pick a, I want sort of like a synth bass sound. So I'm going to go back to one of the Logic synths here and go down and pick out synth bass, air bass synth. It's a little bit too farty for me. Analog funk. That's very synthy. Let's see what that sounds like here. kind of very retro-ish. I like the octave. Let's try that. I don't know if I would normally do that. I'd like a little bit more attack, but this might be kind of cool. So now we have this. All right. So now I need to do a verse. I'm just going to do a very percussive kind of bass thing here. All right, so now we have a chorus and a verse. So if we loop that, it should sound a little bit like a song. What if I move this down? Did you hear? It's about the same. Okay. Gonna loop it just so you can hear. The verse sounds a little aggressive, but I think that's what I want, because some of the lyrics are kind of, you know, going to be a little bit more like looking back and stuff. But let's try some different basses. Classic analog. Ooh, that might sound good. Ooh, yeah. Now one of my oopsies and mistakes. I've had blind dates that I should have seen coming down and dun 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 dun. I want to change the hi-hat beat here. So now I got that. I like that. Gives us more space for the verse, right? I don't remember the lyrics, but You're not one of mine. Oopsies and mistakes. I'm running da Coming together, coming together, coming together, coming together. Let's try to find some more interesting sounds. Let's go back to alchemy. Oh my goodness. So, that's our time. That's our 10 minutes, y'all. So the next thing I was going to do, and I'll do this next episode, is I'm going to experiment with maybe some synth guitar stuff, or maybe like in some kind of synth pad or some kind of synth arpeggio to kind of keep some rhythm going and just add some more layers and some more texture. But hopefully this is helpful for you to see this process that I take from very, very start to finish. And hopefully you'll like and subscribe. Come back next week. There will be another video. And make sure you sign up for the live workshops that we do with at-home songwriting. They're all free. There's literally no catch. We just meet monthly. Other songwriters, me. We do educational workshops. We do song challenges. We do song shares. If you've been looking for that community of like people to connect with that like songwriting like you do, this is a great opportunity where it doesn't cost you anything and you can make some really cool friends and meet some really supportive and great people of all different experience levels, all different genres too. So if you haven't, make sure you go to in the description, sign up, and hopefully we'll see you at one of the next workshops. So thanks everybody. I will see you next time, and keep writing.